Hello there, my inspirations. My name is InspirAspir, and today I have teamed up with a very talented and underrated music producer named Burke Jackson to teach you how to make a future bounce track. Now, Burke Jackson made a completely free to download FL Studio project in the style of one of his own songs, with the intention of teaching you how a future bounce track is laid out. This is meant for educational purposes, so feel free to click the link in the description to download this project and dissect the song for yourself. If you ever wanted to learn more about the genre or even just how songs are made in general, then this is for you. While you're at it, feel free to check out more Burke Jackson songs. They are all on the same level of awesome. I think you'll really enjoy it. I mean, I'm not getting paid to say this. I just wanted to use this platform, spread a little bit of love. And there you have it. That was just a little clip of the project made by Burke Jackson. Again, feel free to click the link in the description below to download this project and also check out more of his own songs. That'll do it for this video. Guys, I have some of my own songs coming up in the future and some more music production tutorials, so be sure to stick around if you want to check those out. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Have a good one.